To my channel. If you are new to this channel, subscribe, comment, like, and share. It is very, very important. I have this information to share with us because this is what is going on in Nigeria. I believe it's in northern part of Nigeria. PM, Prime Minister of Government in Exile, the government in exile, Master Ekpa, posted in his X handle, Twitter space. He posted this video and it was shocking. People don't realize what is going on in Nigeria, what people are facing, and people that are facing it don't care, to understand where the problem comes from. Now let's read what PM posted. This is the future of Britain, Saudi Arabia, and Nigerian offered Nigerian youth. They robbed them education, good life, and made them busy buying each other in the streets while Britain is busy exploiting their natural resources. The Saudi is standing by the side waiting for total Islamization. The youth who should fight for their freedom has been, rendered useless. The result of wasted years, a collapsed society. This is why I like PM, because you can see sympathy and pain of other people's in him. He always feel your pain. He always know what you are going through, despite all the cajole, nonsense comments and stupid posts people are making against Biafra agitation, against Biafra government in Israel, and him in particular, PM. He still have this soft heart for everyone, to show his understanding and the aim and ambition for everybody, not only for Biafrans, just like what Mahatma Gandhi used to say, that the freedom we are fighting, freedom that we are clamoring for, is not only for the Igbos of Biafrans, but he wants Fulanis you to have futures without depending on their political elites. The same thing in Southeast, the same thing in Southwest. You remember when he called for Yorubas to know what happened, what our Fonja did for them, to know what happened to this state they handed over to Fulanis. There's one state in Yoruba land that people are now, considered to be part of North, but the real owners of that state is Yorubas. He also reminded them of their friendship and their brothers in Benin Republic, that you need to understand from where you're coming from and where you're going to. Master Kwan really lectured a lot of Yorubas, but today, because of presidency and all that, the youth of Yoruba people have turned against him and start making, some nonsense posts and all that. This video you are seeing here, I will not show you everything because of the, policy of the platform where you are watching it, be it on YouTube, on Facebook. So we need to encourage you to go to PM Twitter handle to watch the full videos. But why I'm posting this is for you who are fighting against the freedom of people. Remember that this thing could be your own society or your own state or your own street in nearest future. So as you are supporting negativity and evil, your own time may be, on the way. So it is always good for you to fight evil when it's afar, so that it will not get to your doorsteps. Thank you for watching the video. Please, if you are new in my platforms, YouTube or Facebook, follow me and subscribe, comment and share. See you on my next video. Bye bye for now.